Yuna. Welcome back to the Life of Yang. And Mommy's gonna make me a special meal of Gulaman. But first, these are the ingredients we need.
Okay.
First, you're gonna need is this Gulaman, black Gulaman, and then you will need some sugar, and then this bowl, and then a spoon.
And then water.
Yeah, so let's go. I'm gonna pour everything.
Start. Okay.
Okay.
Yun po pour. Sige.
Is that purple? Okay.
Next, water first.
Okay.
I'll
Let's
be
get some
your
water.
assistant.
Okay. It's like black, but there's an island.
Morning.
3.
Last one.
Awesome. 4.
Stir it. Okay, go. Stir it first. After stirring, we'll add sugar.
Yay. I'm gonna freeze it.
Yeah, just a bit. Oh, you need to put at least
Okay.
okay.
Full scoops.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you mix it.
Yep. Then you mix it. Simple.
Wow, ice cream was harder than I thought.
Yeah. Last time we made some ice cream out of Hershey syrup, right? How does it taste like? Good.
I even add a lot of syrup.
Okay, now we can put it in
The
the stove. What? Yeah, we have to put this.
stove.
Now we are going to put it here in the stove and then continue stir it while cooking.
Hey guys. Hashtag not sponsored. It feels like it's cold, like hotter in here, and then like it's matigas here, and then it's like hard there. So caption, this is hot, guys. So you need like these gloves.
It's hot na, it's boiling, so we can turn it off. So we'll let it cool down lang, just a bit, and then we'll transfer it into a container. Okay.
So these are the molds that we're gonna put on. Is this big container, and this is for me.
Put it here, ha? Alright. Who's gonna pour? You?
Yes.
Why you wear this?
Yay!
And then just move a little bit farther up.
Okay. Hi, I'm a mascot. I'm a mascot. Can you assist me?
Okay, 3,
Tapos pasok ka sa akin. Tapos ano natin. Tapos dapat nakakaroon yan eh. Feeling. Nalagay ka ba ng mga YouTube na ano? Mga ano?
Okay. You get your small, ano. Sige, tanggalin mo yung sa kamay. Ano siya?
Kasi feeling na ko eh.
Si mami na. Make sure not to tapon ito na.
Like,
Okay. And we're here.
for the rest of it.
Wait lang. I'll put it here, ha? Careful yun, ha? Baka matapunan ka. Ayusin ko lang.
Guys, it's better hot, so it's caution.
Yes. Caution.
Caution. We just have to wait until it comes out. Guys, we'll be back. So see you later.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, so a while ago we made these jellies, and this one is already like dried already because it's really like in a cute container. And then this one is only not yet. I'm gonna try mine.
You have to cut it like...
I don't like this.
I will cut it na.
No, my precious
So we're gonna cut this one into small
pieces.
pieces. Bite-sized.
Oh my god.
Yep.
I can like, oh.
And then, para mas masarap siya, you can put...
Only a little bit.
Just a bit. You can put some condensada. And then...
Tama na!
Wait lang. Sobra naman to. Tinulak sa condensada. You show it to them. Show it to them. And then, you go get some spoon. So that you mix it. And here's for the taste test. You mix them all together.
Oh!
With the one who's gonna mix it na.
It's like, ano,
It's like, ano.
coffee jelly.
Yeah.
But it's not.
This one tastes better than coffee jelly.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go. Ah!
You know, we'll try it. Dun dun dun.
One, drum roll please. 1, 2, 3.
See? How does it taste like?
It tastes like super creamy. It's really good. And what is this? And the jello is like bite-sized. It's so cute. Like, I love it.
Really?
There's like
Wow.
cream condensed at the bottom.
Tastes good, diba? You let daddy try.
Let me try.
Daddy, dun ka sa video.
Let me try.
Yes, daddy will try.
Mmm!
What can you say?
Sarap!
Sarap!
How about you?
Ah. Mmm.
Naglagay
Sarap. Told ya. Especially kapag cold na siya. Para na siya dessert.
But I'm too excited, so
Yeah. Tastes so good.
yeah.
Are you proud of yourself? You're able to make it?
Well, I have a hello. I don't have any tongue. Thanksgiving. If you want to try it at home, watch this video. So, want some? I'll get some for you. That was a big bite, guys. This monster here is really hungry.
This monster is really hungry. Look, guys! Oh my god! The hungry monster! What are you doing?
What? It's good.
I know that it's good
The
because
cream. The cream.
How about, do you think Papa Kami would like it?
No more. But we have a lot more. And I'm gonna finish this. And that's it for today. And if you like this video, subscribe, comment, and share. So yeah, what video do you want us to do next? Comment down below and link the notification bell so that you will see if we uploaded a new video. Bye! Keep safe from the coronavirus as COVID-19. So, bye!
And won't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me?